Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and use the switcher next to autocorrection. This way, you'll be able to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!